everyone, good morning. So, how to love like Jesus. So, this topic is practical sacrificial love, unconditional love by serving others without expecting anything in return, showing kindness and compassion, forgiving those who offend you, and accepting everyone as valuable regardless of their backgrounds or perceived goodness. It is also involves seeing others through God's eyes, cultivating humility and gratitude, praying for help to act with Christ's love, and actively caring for people's needs, even when it means crossing sacrificial boundaries. So, sabi nga, di ba may kasabihan na eye for an eye, tooth for a tooth. Huwag nating mag-focus sa ganun instead of hating or focusing on the evil ones. Try to love those people who hurt you. If sabi nga, kung merong sumampal sa'yo, ibigay mo pa yung kanan mo. Diba? Ito yung klase ng love na sacrifices. Love everyone as Christ loved you, accepting them completely and without favoritism, even your enemies. Sacrificial giving. Give at your time, resources, and energy to serve others. Don't withhold to someone that borrows money from you. It's similar how God gave His Son as a sacrificial love for us. Kapalit na para mailigtas tayo sa kasalanan natin. If we recognize those struggles and those needs of others and respond with kindness and compassionate heart, andun yung reward. Kung magiging katulad ka lang ng mga tax collector na ang mamahalin mo lang is yung mga brothers mo at ang babatiin mo lang yung mga brothers mo, what kind of reward that you would have? At kung may gagawin kang kabutihan, dapat di ka nakafocus sa reward. Don't expect anything if you do good to others. Ito yung kung paano tinuturo ni Jesus magmahal. Meron pagpapakumbaba, may forgiveness, and serving and help other people. It's just like see others through God's eye. View every person as valuable and seen through God's eyes. Recognize them, divine imprint of their lives, as Jesus taught us how to love. Hope you learned something. Thank you everyone, and God bless.